Billionaire luxury lifestyle. There is no magic formula for living the billionaire lifestyle. Financial experts believe that you must earn more, spend less, and save money than you deserve to become wealthy. It's much easier said than done. Financial planners agree that there are certain characteristics that billionaires worldwide share. These habits, or rather the billionaire lifestyle, will undoubtedly assist you as an individual in climbing the income ladder and becoming successful. Some habits are simply productive and healthy, and incorporating them into your routine will not harm you. It is not easy to become a billionaire, but it is possible. So, are you excited to know how billionaires live their life? Well, in today's video, we are showing you how the billionaires live their lives. What is their lifestyle? What do they do, and everything in this video? Watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more uploads like this. To your surprise, you may feel like billionaires having so much money always travel, relish their luxuries, and spend recklessly, but the truth is somehow the opposite. They possess a disciplined lifestyle and great habits that help them be billionaires. If you want to be a billionaire, instilling these habits into your daily routine can help you realize your dream of living the life of a billionaire. It may not seem like much, but small and positive changes in your life can have a long-term impact on your overall well-being. A billionaire lifestyle is all about routine. Highly successful people and companies like Berkshire Hathaway follows a set schedule and are early riser because they do not want to waste the day sleeping. They are morning people who want to meditate and exercise. Billionaires schedule every activity throughout the day, including wake up and sleep times. They value their time, so they spend it wisely on important things for their professional and personal development. Billionaires exercise and meditate. Physical and mental health benefits from exercise are numerous. Billionaires and influential people worldwide understand that exercise and meditations provide extra time for productivity each day. To be among the world's wealthiest people, you must include 30 minutes of exercise or meditations in your daily routine. Engage in mindful meditations, keep yourself active and blood flowing, and achieve mental clarity to enjoy a wholesome life. They like earning but hate spending. It is difficult to earn money and then save it. This takes years of hard work and dedication, and all billionaires know what it takes to become one. They understand that having billions in the bank doesn't obligate them to overspend. It would have been difficult to live the billionaire lifestyles if all the billionaires had squandered their hard-earned money. The world's billionaire prefers to save and invest their money. Therefore, they do not enjoy purchasing expensive clothing or high-end automobiles. Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder of the social media website Facebook, owns an entry-level sedan. Bill Gates flew commercial airplanes for many years, and Warren Buffett lived a simple life with an essential phone rather than a smartphone. This is because the richest billionaires understand that true wealth allows them to pursue their dreams. So they are motivated to achieve their goals and double their wealth rather than spending it on items that provide temporary pleasure. They prefer to live within their means. They enjoy what they do. This is the key to a prosperous life. When you enjoy your work, it shows that you care about it. Making money becomes easier when you enjoy what you do. Nobody can achieve self-fulfillment in a job they dislike, let alone become a billionaire. You must discover what you are passionate about. One characteristic shared by all billionaires is that they enjoy their work. If you pursue your dreams, you may have to work more hours to achieve your goals and purpose. Making 7 figures is easier if you genuinely enjoy your job. Learning never stops for them. It is estimated that billionaires read for 5.5 hours per week on average. They are interested in current news and trends and global financial affairs. To stay ahead of the competitions, Forbes billionaires like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos are committed to learning something new about their respective fields. A billionaire is unlikely to be lazy or waste time reclining on the couch. To maintain their wealth and upgrade their billionaire lifestyle, they must continue to learn and achieve their objectives. Use cash to pay bills. Billionaires understand the value of money, which is why they work hard to secure it and make money work for them. They also guarantee it by not using credit or debit cards and only paying with cash at the counter. This is another method for preventing yourself from spending a large sum of money that you would otherwise spend if there were no deterrent for card payment. Billionaires are philanthropists. Philanthropy is also important to billionaires, with many donating large sums to charitable causes. Warren Buffett, George Soros, Julian Robertson Jr., John Arnold, Amos Hofstadter Jr., Gordon Moore, and Lynn Schusterman are among the most philanthropic billionaires, according to Forbes, who graded billionaires based on the amount of personal wealth given to charity. On the other hand, Bezos and Musk are among the least generous billionaires, having given away less than 1% of their fortune. Influential and wealthy people all over the world strive to make a positive difference. They are always eager to give back to society and work for the betterment of the people. They are philanthropists who participate in activities that benefit the masses. Billionaires such as Warren Buffett and Bill Gates have pledged to donate more than half of their fortunes to charitable causes during their lifetimes or after their deaths. This is because they believe in assisting those in need, which is another characteristic shared by billionaires worldwide. How do the world's billionaires spend their money? Billionaires can typically afford to spend $80 million per year on private jets, real estate, remote islands, cars, art, space trips, and super yachts. All of these industries are thriving as the world's billionaires seek out extravagant goods and investments. For example, yacht brokers reported a sharp increase in sales in 2021 as the world's wealthiest people sought a safe and private vacations at the time when no other options were available. Private jet brokers reported a similar increase in sales, with reports claiming that those looking to buy a private jet are facing lengthy delivery times. According to the 2020 Art Basel and UBS Global Market Report, annual global sales of art and antiques in 2019 totaled $64.1 billion. The United States accounted for 44% of global sales, the United Kingdom 20%, and China 18%. If you want to live a billionaire lifestyle, forget to spend all your money to appear wealthy. Instead, imitate a billionaire by adopting their daily habits. At the very least, it will enforce and instill healthy habits as part of your daily routine. What do you think about their habits? Let us know your views in the comments below.